Yes.
Lots of science. Our good friend, science guy Rick Crosslin returns. Celebrate Science Indiana is this weekend at the United States Fairgrounds with him, Allison Kempers, an elementary educator. Thanks for being here, guys.
Yeah,
we appreciate
thanks.
it.
Yeah, we love coming this time of year because we're getting ready to have one of the best and biggest science events for families in the whole state of Indiana. It's called Celebrate Science Indiana. But Indiana has a rich history. If you come this Saturday, you'll meet people from the Indiana Academy of Science. It is one of the nation's oldest science organizations, started in 1885.
Oh, wow.
And they're still doing it. But CEFI, which is the group that puts this on, we put on the state science fairs and engineering fair. But about 2007, I saw San Diego did this city fair. So why can't we do this here in Indy? And so I brought it to CEFI, and next thing you know, we had our very first one, and Saturday is the 15th that we've had.
That's amazing.
Yeah, Celebrate Science. And so we have all the universities are going to be there. We have from the Department of Natural Resources, the Health Department. It's a place where kids can talk to real scientists and have fun. And then we have shows, crazy shows. I'm doing the best show in Indiana. Science Spectacular, Keith Ramsey and me, we do that at 12:30, but chemistry is a blast. But another thing you want to do is visit Allison. Allison, what are you going to be doing there?
I'm going to be at the early childhood area, and we're going to have a variety of things for young children.
Oh, nice.
So that's going to be nice. There's something for everybody.
Yeah.
So from early birth to third grade, and that area is really going to be focused on child development, building, engineering, and we'll have animals. You guys will see those later.
Nice.
And,
That's going to be so fun.
I can't wait to see those later. I'm at Chapelwood Elementary, and shout out to my students there.
Oh, I hope they get to see this.
Yeah, they're going to love it.
Yeah. Okay, let's do something because we got a whole boatload of stuff here.
Yeah, so one of the things we like to do is the physics in science and things that spin and things that move.
Yes.
And this is a thing called angular momentum. So go ahead and put your hand in that coating and rotate with that. You feel it?
Yeah.
Well, if we don't change the mass, but we change the center of gravity on this, now try it.
Yeah.
That's something you can try at home. We like to do science you can try at home.
Yeah.
And so things that spin have some really cool movements on them. Let's try this guy right here.
Okay.
This is called the Hoberman sphere, and it's kind of big.
It's so fun.
Let's see. Let's pull that. Let's spin it and watch what happens when you spin it slowly.
Okay.
And can you pull it from down below and see what happens?
Oh.
Ooh.
Now, what does that remind you of? I'll give you a hint. Ice skates. When an ice skater is rotating, and she has her arms out, when she brings her arms in,
she goes faster.
And that's because of angular momentum. Nature doesn't cheat. And so we'll do it one more time. This is an ice skater slowly bringing her arms in, and that's just an example.
That's so cool.
Angular momentum and things that spin, and that's what we like to do. This is my perpetual motion machine.
Okay.
But there is no such a thing, but if I get it going, and so, go ahead, I'll hand it off to you. So keep it going. Good job.
That's pretty cool.
And so, will it go on forever? Or are you putting any force into it?
No, I'm just literally just moving it.
And of course, if you stop, it stops.
Whoa!
So,
That's awesome.
Things like that. Now, this one's brand new. I invested in this glass here, and if I dip it, these are going to fall down. But what if I can get it spinning? I'll let you try this one. Get it spinning. And whoa! That was a fail.
That's okay.
But let's try. I think I'm better right-handed. Try that one. Hold it by the bottom.
Okay.
And spin. There you go. Maybe on the. There you go. Faster as you can. And there you go. Now slowly turn it upside down and see what happens.
Oh, I almost had it.
Well, that's the thing about science.
Just don't do it with wine in it. It'd be fine.
How about some blue water?
Yeah, okay.
You want to try it?
All right, why not?
All right. You know, one thing I like about science is trying it for the first time.
Yeah. I mean, worst case scenario, it just spills, right?
Yeah, I'll do it over something. So we get it going really fast, and you have some forces, and these center-seeking forces, if we do this right, hopefully, here we go. Fail.
I'm still in.
By Saturday, we'll have this one right. We'll try one more. So this, Allison, get ready to catch this. Gravity is always here, so I let go of that.
Whoop.
Sure. It's a fall. But if I can give it some torque and and get it spinning. It has what's called gyroscopic stability. Help me spin that, would you? There you go. There we go. There we go. And now I can hold it by one finger, and it does torque around. So these are some of the kind of things that we'll be doing. And by next segment, I'll be an expert on this.
But what's fun about it, too, is it's stuff that you see every day and you maybe don't even realize it until you see how it actually works. And then somebody goes, oh, that's like the ice skating thing, whatever it may be. I think that's what makes it so fun, too. We're going to have all the information about how you guys can be a part of this event over on our website. There we go. That was awesome. Great job, Rick. I love it. All on our website, lifestylelive.tv. We're not done with them either. We're going to hang out with them a little bit later here and do a whole lot more sciencey stuff. Thank you guys so much.
Saturday.
Thank you.
Saturday.
9 to 5:30, free.
Free. Who doesn't love free?